September 10th, 2022. How's it going, guys? I got another video for you. Got another vehicle coming back up. And check this out. Sound like a sewing machine. Hold on, guys. Alright, I'm back. Interesting. All these vehicles, some of them with no mufflers on them, going up and down. I don't see how they can get away with that. Can't pass inspection if you don't have a muffler on your vehicle. And if it did pass inspection, somebody passed it, maybe better be looking at that inspection sticker and see where it goes back to. This is a young gal too, look like going up. Interesting. A lot of them travel between here and the trailer court and that apartment complex up there on 40. Anyway, guys, keep your eyes open. Have a good one.